Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll go further with a new topic, that is the dynamic Xpath, which we are gonna use in UIPATH tool. So why do wait? Let's get started. I will just take you to a website. Yeah, I will directly go to UI Explorer. Yeah, just indicate the element. This is a text box. I'm just taking its properties. Yeah, you can see here in the property explorer you can find all the properties of that control. It's the input tag. So this is the normal one which is generated automatically. You can see here it has taken the ID and the tag. I think it's a static website. So just I will refresh the website. Okay. I will validate. Yeah, it's green and it's worked. I just highlighted it's in red color. So you can see this never gonna change and it will work fine. There are some websites which has the controls dynamic. It's in every refresh, in every time it will go to the further step. The controls and the elements ID has keep on changing. So I will show you one website for that. Yeah. 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 The main motto of this website is we have to download one Excel here. There are the Excel contains some data of first name, last name, phone number, address, roll number, etc. All the fields it will be there in one row. One by one row you have to fill it here. If first row complete, then round one in round one we have to complete with the first row. Then this one in the second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. Like that we have to fill it. If all the data are correct, then we will get 100%. So we'll take the first name first. We'll check whether this website is dynamic or static like that previous website. I will just indicate the element first name. Yeah, it is given some property, web control ID and tag. You can see this side also. There are many properties you can see in the left hand side in the property panel. Yeah, you can see. What I will do now, I will just refresh the page. Yeah, it's done. I'll just validate. You can see here it's the red color cross symbol, and it didn't able to find the control exact one. Again I will indicate element the first name. Let's see uh, what is changing in this path. Basically I can find this ID is keep on changing. If you'll see here, tag and web control ID only has been taken to identify that message box, sorry, text box. So if you'll uncheck this ID, so only the tag input will be there and IDX is 3. So you can face the problem like this is also a text box, this is also a text, this is all a text box. So it will IDX3, I don't know exactly, but it may be 1 for last name, it may be for the round 2, it may be IDX will be 3 or maybe 4, so it will be changing. So if you tag that one, the correct input will not go to the correct text box, right? So anyhow we have to put something like that which will identify that this is the text box for the last name and this is the text box for the first name. So here we can't find anything which will identify that this is for that. Okay, so I just logged into this website and I found this one, ng reflect name level first name. So I will just show you. I'll just start it. It's round 1 in round 1. Yeah, we'll go to first name. You can see here UN something is coming here in control ID. I will just round 2. It failed. So we'll use this ng reflect name level first name instead of this control ID because it is keep on changing. We can't track what the data is coming out. If it will be in a keep on increasing 1 or 2 or 3, then we can create one variable by right click it, George. You can right click and choose variable argument, create variable, create argument. You can pass it through here. You can give counter and all like that. If it is like in a sequence or like that we can do it, but this is not like any order wise or any sequence wise. So this is like random numbers are coming, so we should not tag that in a like Xpath. So I'll just uncheck this one. The tag is input, that's correct, we are tagging it, and the next one which I told you, ng reflect name, that I will tag it. So I will just write it in HTML code type. I kept in a notepad, I think. Yeah, you can see here the same one I have copied and I pasted it here, so I'm just copying it from here. Yeah, only the input text box is there and the level name is first name. We'll validate and see whether it's indicating the first name text box or the different one, or it's showing some error. So I'll just validate. Yeah, it's worked fine. Next step is we'll check whether it is showing the first for the text box respect to the first name or not. So just highlight. Yeah, you can see here first name. So I will just refresh the page. Just I will go to the second page, second round. Sorry, third round. Indicate sorry. Yeah, first name you can see here. Let's go to round 4. Just to let it succeed. Yeah, with the first name, Textworks is indicated. One more time we'll check. 5, round 5 you can see. Just to validate, the next time will be highlighted. I think it's, yeah, it has been highlighted, the first name. So this is the correct one. So I forgot to tell you that this is we have done it for first name. You can write it last name, or you can write it the email ID. I will just do it for email for one time. Yeah, just highlight it. Yeah, you can find the email has been indicated. So this is the way we can create one Domex path which has dynamic controls, and you can do it. These all phone numbers, address, company name, role in company, last name. That's all. Thank you so much.